Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best Overture PLA filament is probably one of the most versatile and accessible 3D printing materials available today, offering a fantastic balance of ease of use, affordability, and print quality that makes it an ideal choice for hobbyists, educators, and even professionals looking to bring their digital designs into the physical world with vibrant colors and reliable results. Number 5. ANYCUBIC PLA 3D Printer Filament. Experience a smarter printing process with our intelligent identification chips. They automatically detect printing information, seamlessly integrating with compatible printers for an enhanced user experience. Achieve precise prints every time with a minimum dimensional tolerance of plus 0.02 mm. This ensures a smooth filament outflow and consistent layer fusion for superior bridging and reduced worry about diameter variations. Our filament is neatly spooled for a tangle-free printing experience. Enjoy cleaner prints with less stringing, warping, and jamming, all while achieving a glossy finish. Designed for a smooth and stable printing journey, this filament is clog-free and bubble-free. It's thoroughly dried and vacuum-sealed to guarantee optimal performance. This filament is designed for broad compatibility, working well with a wide range of temperatures and printing speeds. It's a perfect fit for most mainstream 3D printers on the market. What we like. This filament features an intelligent identification chip for seamless integration with compatible printers, simplifying your printing process. Its exceptional dimensional accuracy ensures consistent extrusion and high-quality results. If you have a printer with an intelligent identification system or prioritize ease of use and reliable performance, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The filament has a good adhesion to the print bed. Prints come out smooth and with good detail. The filament is easy to work with and has a consistent diameter. Number 4. Overture PLA Filament 1.75 mm Black. Experience unparalleled accuracy with our filament. Its diameter is consistently maintained at 1.75 mm, with a tight tolerance of plus 0.02 mm, thanks to real-time monitoring and advanced control. Say goodbye to printing frustrations. Our patented clog-free formula ensures a smooth and seamless experience, while thorough drying and vacuum sealing prevent bubbles and maintain quality. Enjoy a hassle-free printing journey. Meticulous winding and manual inspection guarantee a tangle-free spool, and the larger inside diameter reduces friction for smoother feeding. Our filament is designed to work seamlessly with most 3D printers, both consumer and industrial. Unleash your creativity with a wide selection of vibrant colors to bring your ideas to life. Print with confidence knowing you have a reliable partner. We offer dedicated support and a 1-year shelf life for unopened spools, ensuring a consistently smooth printing experience. What we like. Experience hassle-free printing with its patented clog-free formula and meticulously tangle-free winding. The wide array of color options allows for great creative expression. If you're looking for a reliable filament that minimizes printing issues and offers a broad palette for your projects, this is the one to consider. What people say. The filament prints very smoothly with no jamming or tangles. The color is vibrant and consistent throughout the spool. It adheres well to the print bed and produces strong, durable prints. Number 3. Overture Matte PLA 3D Printer Filament 1.75 mm. Experience a premium matte finish with our advanced PLA filament. It's designed to give your prints a smooth, frosted texture that beautifully hides layer lines, perfect for projects demanding high visual quality. Enjoy a hassle-free printing experience. This filament offers excellent bed adhesion and superior performance, ensuring no clogs, bubbles, or excessive shrinkage. It's ideal for long prints and achieving a high success rate. Achieve flawless results with our precisely manufactured filament. It maintains tight tolerances for consistent diameter, ensuring reliable layer bonding and minimal warping for perfect output every time. This filament is compatible with most FDM 3D printers that use 1.75 mm PLA. Unleash your creativity with a wide range of vibrant colors to bring all your unique ideas to life. Print with confidence knowing you have dedicated support. Our filament boasts a long shelf life and we are committed to providing timely solutions for a seamless printing experience. We are your reliable partner in 3D printing. What we like. Achieve a premium, gloss-free finish with its high-grade matte PLA, which effectively conceals layer lines for a professional look. It also boasts excellent bed adhesion and easy support removal. If you prioritize aesthetic quality and are creating models, prototypes, or decorative items where surface finish is crucial, this filament is ideal. What people say. The filament has a good adhesion to the print bed. Prints come out smooth and with good detail. The filament is easy to work with and doesn't jam the extruder. Number 2. FLASHFORGE PLA Filament 1.75mm Burnt Titanium. Discover our adored chameleon filament series, a revolutionary material that shifts colors with light and angle. It's designed to beautifully conceal layer lines for stunning 3D prints. Experience the ease of PLA with our high-quality filament. It offers excellent adhesion and works perfectly even with standard settings, giving you flawless prints every time. Enjoy incredibly smooth surfaces thanks to its low shrinkage rate and minimal warping. This makes it ideal for detailed indoor prints and artistic creations. Our filament is engineered to be clog-free and bubble-free for a seamless printing experience. It's thoroughly dried and quality-checked before shipping. Achieve exceptional accuracy with a consistent 1.75mm diameter and a tight tolerance of plus 0.02mm. Each spool provides 1 kg of reliable, high-performance material. Explore our captivating color options, including burnt titanium, nebula purple, skydiver blue, rose quartz, and obsidian. Watch your prints come alive with dynamic color shifts. What we like. This filament offers a unique chameleon effect, changing colors with light and angles, and perfectly hiding layer lines for stunning visual appeal. It also features low warping for smooth surfaces. If you want your prints to stand out with dynamic visual effects and a flawless finish, especially for artistic or decorative pieces, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The filament is easy to print with and produces good quality prints. The color is vibrant and consistent throughout the spool. The filament adheres well to the print bed and has minimal warping. Number 1. Mica 3D Silk PLA Filament Bundle. Introducing our shiny Silk PLA Filament Bundle, featuring stunning gold, silver, and copper colors. Get ready to elevate your 3D printing projects with these beautiful metallic finishes. Our filament is crafted for high quality, ensuring a smooth printing experience with no bubbles and minimal odor. It's eco-friendly and universally compatible with most FDM 3D printers. Each pack contains 3 spools, with each spool holding 0.5 kg of filament. You'll have plenty of material in popular, shining colors like gold, silver, and copper. As an extra gift, we've included a premium 3D print removal tool. This handy accessory makes removing your prints a breeze. We are confident in the quality of our filament and offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. For your next use, remember to secure the free end to prevent tangling. What we like. Get a stunning metallic sheen with this bundle of popular silk gold, silver, and copper colors. Each spool is 0.5 kg, and the pack includes a useful 3D print removal tool. If you're looking to add a luxurious, eye-catching metallic finish to your prints and appreciate the convenience of a bundled accessory, this is a great value. What people say. The filament has a good adhesion to the print bed. Prints come out smooth and with good detail. The filament is easy to work with and doesn't jam the extruder. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.